Be assured that the beavers has come to stay. Electronic transmission of results has come to stay. Public display of polling unit results through IReV has come to stay. With today's initiative, the elimination of the negative use of money in our electoral process will be tackled head-on. Once again, I would like to appreciate the Nigeria Police and other security and safety agencies, the ICPC, the EFCC, the MBC, and ACON for their support and partnership. I would similarly like to appreciate the Nigeria Financial Intelligence Unit, the Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria, the Newspaper Proprietors Association of Nigeria, political parties, civil society organizations, trade unions, professional bodies, financial institutions, and all our invited guests for honoring our invitation and for standing by INEC in our shared commitment to credible elections in Nigeria. I won't forget to also thank the MacArthur Foundation and the Center for Democracy and Development Nigeria for their support. Tomorrow, Tuesday, 20th December 2022, the Commission will also take a major step in the preparation for the 2023 general election with the signing of the revised Memorandum of Understanding with the Road and Maritime Transport Unions, the National Union of Road Transport Workers, and the National Association of Road Transport Owners for Land Transportation.